we have seen the examples of circular and rotatory motion, and also you can write these examples in case of periodic motion. Okay, we know that what is periodic motion, right? We have already covered this topic, and we now know that a motion that repeats itself at regular intervals of time is called periodic motion. So here we can see that the earth is repeating its motion after every 1 day to complete one rotation, so it is periodic. And here again the earth is repeating itself after every 1 year to complete one revolution, and again it is periodic. So these are the also examples of periodic motion. Now the next one is multiple motion. The name itself, word itself, multiple, is suggesting that many, right? So when an object shows two or more types of motion at the same time, its motion is called multiple motion. Okay, so जब भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट एक ही टाइम पे दो या दो से ज़्यादा मोशन शो कर देगा, उसे हम कहेंगे मल्टीपल मोशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द बाईसाइकिल मूविंग ऑन अ रोड, because when the bicycle moves it will follow a straight path, that is, it is translatory motion, right? The cycle will be in translatory motion when it is moving in a straight road, but the wheels of the cycle are rotating about this fixed point, right? Which means they are showing the rotatory motion. As the earth shows its motion about its fixed axis, it rotates. So similarly, about this fixed point, the wheel of the cycle rotates. Okay, so at the same time, when the bicycle is moving, at the same time it is showing two types of motion, which means the bicycle is an example of multiple motion. Similarly, earth is also an example of multiple motion, because as the earth is revolving, it is also rotating itself, right? So that means the earth is showing multiple motion. So you can write these two examples in case of multiple motion. Okay.